This is your English class, and today we are going to deal with number. So what is this number? We have to know first, and after that we have to know the kinds of the number and the kinds which are those and definition of those kinds we will deal in this class. So first we have to know the first concept is number. So this one we have to know it first. So what is this number? So number is a word. So number is a word in grammar. In grammar basics I am talking. So in grammar number it is a word. So this number it identifies, it indicates this number. It indicates whether a noun. Yes, now we know noun it is a naming word. So whether a noun is singular or plural. So whether a noun is singular or plural, which it indicates, this number it indicates. So the number is a word which indicates whether a noun is singular or plural is known as a number. So let us have that definition of number. So a word which indicates whether a noun is singular, whether a noun is singular or plural, whether a noun is singular or plural. So is known as number. Okay, so here we came to know that what is the number. So students, one more time I will repeat it. What is number? So number is a word. So it is a word in grammar aspect I am checking. Okay, number is a word which indicates whether a noun is singular or plural. So that is known as a number. So in number we can see two kinds. So how many kinds are there? Two kinds are there. So which are those? We will come to know. So first one is singular number and second one is the plural number. So first one is the singular number and second one is the plural number. So what are these? These are the kinds of number. So kinds of number. Take the second headline. Kinds of number. So this is the first one and this is second aspect. So kinds of numbers are, there are two kinds of numbers. So there are two kinds in number and those are, which are those? One is the singular number and second one is the plural number. Yes. So one is the singular number and the second one is, the second kind of the number is the plural number. The plural number. So we came to know this, which are the two kinds of this number. So one is singular and one is plural. So it is necessary that for which noun we can call as singular and for which noun we have to call as plural. So it is very necessary to know. So for which we can call singular and for which we can call plural. So for singular, so let us know what is the singular number. So singular number is, it is a noun. So a noun which denotes, which shows, the noun which denotes one person or a thing. So noun in the sense we can't say only name of the persons, we can say the name of the things also. So for that here while teaching, while talking, Yes. Yes. So now we have to move towards singular number and plural number meanings. So meaning we have to get. After that we will study how to form the plurals and for singular nouns. So there are some steps in forming the plurals of a singular. That one we will deal with in the next. So first take it down. So now we have to know what is singular number. So take it down. So first one is that singular number. So singular number. So as I told you already, I told you that what is singular number. So once again I will tell you a noun which denotes. So a noun which tells, which denotes a person or a thing. One person, a thing, person in the sense of one person. So there should be only one, not more than one. So if there is one person or one thing, then that noun is known as a singular number. So let us take it down. Singular number. So singular number is mainly it is a noun. So a noun which denotes a noun which denotes one person or one thing. One person or thing is called as or is known as singular number. So for example, we can see here I have only one pen, one marker in my hand. So one marker in the sense it is a thing. So marker it is a noun. So it is a thing. So it is a thing in the sense we can say it is singular or plural. Yes, we can say it. So it is one in number in the sense it is a singular number. So for example, we can see pen. Pen it denotes what? It denotes one in number. So pen is a thing. So pen it is a thing. What it is showing? It is denoting that noun in number. So girl, suppose think that here a girl is standing and she is only one person. So one person in the sense it is singular, girl. So for that I am using the word girl, not girls. So what I am using girl. Why? Because only one is there. So how many are there? Only one is there. So for that I am using girl. Okay. Chair. Only one chair is there. Only one number is there. So for that it is known as singular. Okay. Then book. So see, suppose I have a book. So only one book is there in my hand. So only one book is there. So is it singular or plural? So only one. One in the sense? Yes, one. One in the sense of only one. So for that singular. So book. Man. Only one person is there. Man. Why I have using the word man? So only one person is there. So the singular noun is man. So for that man is a singular word. Noun. Woman. Yes, so on, etc. So many nouns we can see singular nouns. So we need to know what is singular noun. So it is our duty to know that what is plural noun also. So is it your duty? Yes, it is of course our duty. So we have to know. So what is this plural number? So second kind of the number is plural number. So plural number. So nothing is there. So only one thing is changed here, that the differentiation between the singular and plural is that see here we can the noun it indicates it denotes only one person. In plural what it one person or thing. So it may be person, it may be a thing. More than one person or more than one thing. So is known as. So is this kind of nouns, these kinds of numbers are known as, is known as plural number. Plural number. So here also we can see the examples. So many examples we can see. So for example, take the examples. So upper examples are also possible in the plural. So pen. So suppose you think, so if I have two pens in my hand, so how many are they? There are two. So is it more than one or only one? Yes, of course it is more than one. In the sense, more than one in the sense it is plural. It's more than one thing, no. So for that it is a plural. So in plural, what we say? Pen. The plural form of the pen? Pens. So pen, pens. Girl. If suppose think that two girls are standing here. So two girls. See what I use. So two. More than one is there. So for the two girls. So I have used the word girls. The plural form of a girl is girls. Yes. Girls. Chair. Chair. Well, if there is more than one chair, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if there is more than one chair, 2, it may be 2, 3, 4, 5 number of chairs. So then what we have to say? So we have to use the plural form of the singular verb chair. So the plural form of the singular verb chair is chairs. Chairs. Yes. Book. Books. Yes. Man. Men. If more than one man is there, so if two men are there, men, I am using whenever I am using two, number 2, then I have used men. So have you observed that? So one man, two men. What I am saying? So one man in the sense is one in number. So when I use two, number 2, so then I use the noun as a man. So the plural form of man is men. So man, men, woman, women. So many words we can see, etc. So here we came to know, see here, somewhere we have added s to make the plural, somewhere we have changed the spelling, and some other words are there, so they will take s, es, ies, ves to form the plurals. So how should we change? So what are the steps to change the singular into plural? That one we have to know. So take it down, what is singular and what is plural, and some examples, and after this one we will come to know how to form singular into plural, how to form the plurals of the singular words. So some rules are there, so those rules we will deal now. So first take it down and after that we will deal. Yes, students. So here, as I told you that how to form the plurals. So some rules are there. So first rule we have to know that. So whenever we see the plural forms, most of the plural forms of the singular nouns, they take s to form the plurals. So most of them, not I am telling all the words, all the nouns they take s only to form the plurals, but most of the words. So I am using the word most of the words. So most of the words they take s form to make the plurals. So this is the first rule, that to form the plural. So most of the nouns, most singular word. To the singular word we have to add S form. See for example, most of the words. So as I told you, singular. So here singular word is given to us. So one pen. So pen is a singular word. Pen is a singular word. So plural word we have to do plural word. So while making plural, so this pen takes S. So pen is a singular word and we added S singular. To make the plural what we did here? We added S. So what we did? We added S to make the plural. Okay? Pen, pens. So girls, S, girls, and balloons. So balloon is a singular balloon. So to form this plural, so what is the plural word of balloon? S, right, balloons. S, balloons. Face, one face. If it is only one, then we use face. More than one, plural form we have to use. So what is the plural form of face? Faces. So here to make the plural what we did here, we added S to the singular word to form the plural. So most of the words like this only, they form plural words by adding S. So one more example we can say here, toe, the finger of our feet is toe, toes, and umbrellas. So umbrella. So the plural form of umbrella is umbrellas. Yes. So many examples like day, days, chair, chairs, fan, fans, school, schools, shoe, shoes, kite, kites. So most of the words we can add S to form the plural. So this is the first rule of making the plurals of a singular word. So next rule we have to do. So next rule we have to come to know. So first take it down and after that second rule we will go. So now we have to move towards the second rule, that is so how to make the plural forms. So most of the words they take S form to form the plurals. So some of the words are there. So the nouns, so some nouns are there. They end with the letters SH, S and CH and X, double S. So some nouns the ending of the letter of the nouns they are S. They end with the letter S, SH, CH, X, double S. So what about these words? So you see here, for example, class is there. So we want to make it a plural. So as we know, so commonly we will do that. So we add S to the plural form to form the plural. Usually we add S. So already here two S are there. So if you add one more S, is it okay? Is it the plural form of that class? No, it is not. So for that, when the word ends with double S, when the word ends with double S or single S, double S or single S. Single S in the sense, for example, bus is there. So the word already, the noun already ended with the S. and it is double S, bus, s, but this is wrong. And some words are there, the words they end with the ch. So like bunch. So like a bunch. So bunches. So s. So we have learned that. So to add the word noun s, it will become plural. So is it right? No, it's not right. And as I told you, some words they end with sh. Bush. If you write like this, is it right? No, it's wrong. And as one more letter I said you, the ending letter as x. One more letter x. If x. So here, box. It's not box. Fox. So that letter, ending letter is x. So if you write x, is it right? No, it's not right. So what should we do in these cases? What should we do in these cases? The word, the noun which ends with a double s, ch, sh, x. So how to form the plurals? How to form the plurals? It comes in our mind. So there is a rule to these kind of the words, the nouns which end with s, double s, ch, sh and x. So to form these plural forms, we have to add es to the plural, singular word to form the plurals. So what we have to do? The noun which ends with, noun ending with sh, ch, x, double s. Yes, the words which, the nouns, words in the sense of nouns which ends with the letter s. So as I told you, double s, ch, sh, x. So to form the plural forms of these words, so we have to add es to those nouns. So let us take the second rule of making the plurals. So first one I have already given to you, and we have to move towards the second one. So what is the second rule? The second rule is that, so noun, the word should be of noun. Noun ending with the letter, noun ending with ch. See, remember the noun should be end with the letter ch, and sh, s, x, and one more letter is double s. So if the words they ended with ch, sh, s, x and double s, so to form their plurals, we have to add es to the singular. So form their plurals by adding es. See, remember that we have to add es to the singular noun, to the singular. Yes, this is the second rule of making the plurals. So for example, we have to deal with examples. Example, see, bunch. So this is the singular, we have to bifurcate singular and plural. So first word I will give you that, bunch. See, observe this word. So this word with which letter, ending letter is, which ending letter it has? ch. The ending letter is ch. So as per the rule when you make the plural, so as we have already dealt with the rule that the word which end with the ch, so to form that plural, what we should do? We should add es. So for that, let us do that one. So bunches. So now So match, matches. Matches. So and class, CLASS, class. The word is ended with double S. So for that, what we should do? So we should add the es to the singular word to make the plural. Class, classes. S, fox. S, fox. F-O-X, fox. So the word ended with the X. So for that, plural will be foxes. E-S. S. And the word which ends with SH. So for example, ending of letter SH is bush, bush, bushes. S. So suppose the word it ends with single S, like bus. So what will be the plural? S, B-U-S-E-S, buses. S, plural, it takes E-S to form the plural. S. So this is the second rule of making the singular into plural. So take it down, and some other rules are also there. So those rules we will deal with in the next class. Okay students, take it down. Yes. Okay students, in next class we will meet once again, and in next class I will deal with the further rules of making the plural.